Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little badge over here on the right hand side. As you'll notice, I stuck a name in there. That's my friend Levan, who always goes to Goodwill and thrift shops and finds Halloween costumes for me almost every year. This year, as you see here, I was Little Red Riding Hood, and the guy beside me, the Hubs, was the Big Bad Wolf. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make the badge or a pin just like this. So let's get started. Oh, by the way, it's free, and all you need is any kind of Embrilliance software, whether it be Enthusiast, Essentials, whatever. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you'll do is you'll come to this page, and I'll have a link for you down below. And these are the different badges that you're going to get, or button type things, patches. So all you have to do is say click here to download the free Halloween Library 2021 Library BX file. Okay, and it kind of shows you here a little bit of information. If you need more instructions, it's right here. Download with installation instructions. So anyway, I've already downloaded it and I'm ready to go. So let's go to my Embrilliance software. And right now all I have open is Embrilliance Essentials. So I'm going to open up a new page. And I'm going to come up here to this little icon right here that says Merge Design. When I do click on that, you may see more things in my library than you have because I have more parts of Embrilliance maybe than you do, but this will work the same. You'll click on this, ignore this, you won't get this pop-up window. I'll say cancel. And then it's going to open up to this box. Now mine opened to the library right where I wanted it to because that's where I was last. But originally, it may come like this, and you'll just use this drop down arrow to get to the one that you have. And this one was the Embrilliance Halloween. So I'm going to use this one right here. It says in the directions that this one uses a font from Merrily that you may not have. So if you don't have that font, you might just want to go with this one instead, like I'm going to do. So I'm going to double click on this to open it, and there it is. And right now, as you can see, it says Michael. If I click off of it over here, check out what happens to the word Michael. It fits right in here, and that's the way this patch is designed. So let's look over here, and I'll click on the letters part. Notice it changes down here where I can type in a different name. Maybe I'll type my own name in, Patty. Do it all caps, Patty Ann. And I'll hit enter on my keyboard and that set it, but you know what? It's not like I wanted it to until I click off and then click back. It puts it right in there like that. So it's really easy to go ahead and change the coloring of this if you want to. So to change the color, I just clicked on the color over here in the Properties tab and then chose a color that I wanted to substitute for that specific one. So I changed the eyes to the green, and I'm going to change the font to an orange. So there we go. So that's all that would happen right now, and I'd be ready to stitch this out just like this. If you want to go to the stitch simulator, you go right up here where this little needle is with a thread in it. Click on that. And you can use this bar right here, and wait till you see this. And I'm going to show you some pictures of my machine actually doing these. This is some underlay right here, right? First it goes like that, and then like that, then like that, then like that. Oh, and by the way, all you need to stitch this on is one piece of the water-soluble stabilizer, not the stuff that's real flimsy like saran wrap, not topper. You want to use the one that's sort of woven and feels like cloth. Anyway, so let's see if we finish off with this. It's still stitching, and then it puts in the extra pieces, and then it's done. So let's go look at my machine and see it work. Okay, I have it already in my machine, and it's doing the outline stitching right there, and it's starting to do the underlay. It's going diagonally, and it's going to go the other diagonal way, and it's just going to keep doing more and more stitches, making it fuller and fuller, or more dense, we could say. All right, that's the final bit, and now it's doing the final bit around the whole outside edge, and now it's starting to put in the details, the colors that we chose. There's the finished patch. Isn't it beautiful? Took it out of the hoop, used a little wetness to get rid of the stabilizer. There's Levan's wig and her hat that she's going to be wearing. There's the Scarecrow's part of his costume. And now comes my costume. I'm going to be Dorothy. I'm going to wear a white blouse underneath there. There's Toto. There's my wig. I'm going to have red shoes with, I'm going to put red glitter, not red shoes, but shoes with glitter on them, red glitter. And I'm not exactly sure what else I'll need to make me Dorothy. If you think of something, let me know in the comments down below. White socks. That's about it. Well, look down here now. I want to show you one more thing I'm going to do with Levan's badge. Okay, as you can see above me, I've made one more cat, and this one has WWOTW, Wicked Witch of the West. That's for Levan. Couldn't find what her name was really anywhere. So I'm going to make another one of those. And rather than make it be a badge, I'm going to put it on one of these to make it be something that she can wear in her hair, in her witchy hair. So that's it. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment in the section down below. I love to read your comments. And let me know what you're doing for Halloween. I'd love to hear. So again, if you think of anything else that I need for Dorothy, or if you know the Wicked Witch of the West's name, let me know. But again, thanks for joining me. See you again soon. Oh, don't forget, the link for this free design is down below. Bye, y'all.